Hi friends, today I am going to explain how to cut a sari blouse. First, you have to take a cloth and fold the cloth like this. First, we are going to cut the back portion and then the front portion. First, you have to measure the back portion like this. Fold the blouse. So you have to measure from here to this part. So it is around 20.5. So we have to divide this 20.5 by 2. So we get 10.25 plus 2 centimeter for seaming purpose. So you are measuring approximately 10 plus 2 is 12. So mark this, and from bottom we have to leave 2 inches and mark. So this 2 inches is for this bottom part. Then you have to measure the height of the back portion. So take this portion and from shoulder. This back seaming, from this you have to mark the shoulder. From this mark 3 inches. So we have leave 2 inches here. And from here, we are taking the back portion, back part of this seaming and shoulder part. From here, we are marking the shoulder portion here, back part, shoulder portion. So from here, we are measuring 3 inches and we have marked. Now, we are going to cut the neck portion. So fold the blouse like this. This is the back neck. So place the neck in this point, mark the portion here. Just mark the back neck here and the armhole here. So from here we are taking this part and half inches for seaming purpose. So connect all the portions. So this is the back portion of our blouse. Now I am going to cut this. got the back portion of a sari blouse. Having this, we are going to cut the front portion. Having this back portion, we are going to measure the front portion here and fold. We are going to fold this, and after folding this, we are going to measure this portion in our blouse. So this is the front portion of our blouse. So now we are going to take the shoulder to this center dot. So we are going to measure the shoulder portion to this center dot portion here, and we are going to leave half inches here. Fold this portion. So we are going to measure this part in our remaining cloth. So we have to put the back portion like this. So measure, draw all the parts except the neck part. So we have drawn the front portion. Now we are going to take the neck portion here. Place this front portion in this drawing. Mark this part. Now join this, draw this front neck. So now we have drawn the front portion. So from this neck, we are going to measure the patti part. So from the starting portion of the neck, we are going to cut the patti part now. So here we have the patti starting, and after this we have to leave 1.5 inches. You can see like this here. And from the center dot and from the shoulder, keep the center dot and connecting to the shoulder, we have this here. And from armhole, from this armhole, we are going to measure here. So we have the ending of this patti part here. We are leaving half inches for seaming purpose, and we are marking here. So this portion is from neck to the patti part starting, and this dot is from the shoulder to the center part of the dot, and here this part indicates the armhole to the patti part ending. So now joining all these parts like this, like a curve. So now we are going to cut this. After cutting, we will be receiving the front portion of a sari blouse. So now we have received the front portion of our blouse. So this is the front portion and this is the armhole, whereas this is the neck part. Now we are going to cut, next we are going to cut the sleeve part. Now we are going to cut the sleeve part. So the remaining cloth, so we are going to place this sleeve like this. So from this shoulder, marking like this, and half inches below this stitches. Now draw the stitches back side. So I want to make this sleeve short. So I have I have marked from here. If you want the same measurement, you have to mark this like this. So from the corner part. Okay. So then we have to take the measurement from here and to here. So now I am making this sleeve short. So I am leaving some portion outside. So I am keeping like this. So my sleeve will be short than this. Okay. So I have marked here and then the armhole here, and I have drawn the bottom part like this, and I have joined the sleeve like this. So I am going to cut So this is our sleeve portion. We'll be having two, and you have to cut this portion. We'll be having, we can separate this. This is the sleeve portion. Now I am going to cut the patti part. So we'll be having this straight cloth here. So now I am going to cut the patti part here. So you can take maximum, you have to take 3 inches from here or from bottom. You can take 3 inches. I'm going to measure 3 inches. This. Put a straight line here and make a curve. So this will be the patti part where we are going to join in the front portion. This is the patti portion. So we got 2 front portion. In the bottom we will be joining like this. So this is the front portion finished. Now we are going to cut for this button part. So we are going to cut 2 similar pieces. can cut here just for 2 inches. This is for stitching our button portion. From here we have to get the neck piping. So just stretch your cloth like this. We have to cut in this portion. So for 1 centimeter. So we have to stretch the cloth like this. We have to cut. This is for our back neck piping. So the process is finished. Now we are going to see all the pieces. So here we have the back portion. And this is the front portion. And this is the putty part. And this is a sleeve part. So we'll see how to stitch this and connect all these parts in the next portion.